Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a green guest bedroom set that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with a chest of drawers, starting with a set of 2x3x2 cupboards. I'm going to stack these on top of one another, and I'm going to pinch this middle area in the middle. On the top, a pair of 1x3 flat tiles. And we're going to populate the cupboards with 4 drawers. Those right in there, and you can use any color you wish for your chest of drawers. For a bedside table, start with a 2x3 plate on the left hand side, a 2x2 jumper plate, on the right hand side a 1x2 jumper plate. Then I'm going to flip this over and place 4 bright green ice cream cones. Now, I know that won't work in real life, but here in Lego, these will be great for table legs. Set these right in the corners. And then we're going to flip this right side up. For an alarm clock, we're going to take a 1x1 by 2/3 brick with a stud on the front. I'm going to place a little clock face right on the face of our brick, and a 1x1 round flat tile right on the top. This is going to be like a little bell. Makes a nice little alarm clock. We'll set that right there. And for a bedside lamp, a 1x1 nose cone and a minifigure hat. For a twin bed, start with a 1x6 plate. I'm going to set down a pair of 3x3 plates along one side and a 1x6 plate underneath on the other side. Now we're going to place several 1x1 plate with bow. Now if you want, you can make your comforter any color you wish. You can mix and match patterns. For this demonstration, I'm going to just use green. Set a few more of these right here, and we're going to put one right down here in the middle. And to round up the corners, a set of 2x2 outside corner brick with bow. Set that right in there. Then I'm going to just cover this up with 5 1x3 flat tiles. And yes, that's what I mean. It's going to be very plain. Now I want to flip this over real quick. I want to lift off my bed off the floor, so I'm just going to take 4 studs and place them on both ends of our 1x6 plate. It's just easier to do this after this base has been assembled. Easier to put these on. Now I'm going to flip this back over, take a 1x3 jumper plate and a 1x2 by 2/3 slope for a pillow to complete the bed.